go to its settings up here, maybe increase on the size, and then you check the size. The size is that circle that you're seeing. Then you rub. First rub away that line. Okay. Then alright. So let's begin on the hardcore. Not hard, but on the technical side. So to remove this, we need to use this tool. It's called the background eraser tool. This one here, or you press E to access it. So before you start doing anything, we need to first make some settings here. So I'll get this setting, make sure I increase maybe on the size. Yeah, that size is okay. Then I can say hardness 50%. Then there are these icons here. Make sure you select the middle one, which is sampling once. Then limits, you say discontinuous. Then tolerance, you can leave it at 50. Okay. So once you've done something like that, then you can now begin. Before you begin shading, it's better first zoom in, Ctrl plus. That is zooming in. First scroll on the left. Then you have to click on a color that you want to remove. That is the white. So I'll click on white, then shade without releasing the mouse. So you go non-stop. Okay, and be careful when you're coming next to the skin, because the skin has some white element. Yep. So shade slowly here. You don't release the mouse, you keep holding. Okay, that's when I release the mouse, because I'm shifting to this other side. Then click on the white, continue like that. Then towards the skin you do is easy like that, easy like that. Then also here, click on that white, click on that. Okay, Ctrl Z. So here it's tricky. You just have to reduce on the size of the brush up to some level as you keep checking. I think that's okay. Then you click on that white, Ctrl Z, sorry, click on that white, don't click on anything, like that. Then yeah, then here you can shade normally. Yeah, then remove that, and finally you're done. Okay, so this is just a sample. So we're done with that part. Then we need to make it a little bit better. So if I switch off the last layer, which is the background, you can see, if I zoom in, the hair is very clear. I think that's what ladies like, of course. That will be another topic for another day. It's okay. So you can see the hair is all waving. I think that's what ladies like. Okay, then bring back the background. Okay, now here, this is where now you can do your final editing. Like we're going to use some tool which is called we're going to use the burn tool. Burn. So that means you're going to first darken these white places where it's too much white. Maybe darken the hair a little bit. Like that. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll zoom out, Control minus. Control minus is for zooming out. If I switch off this background, so you can see my hair is all cut out before Before it was like this, then after it's like this. So this is how we cut out that background of hair. Very technical if you don't know the tools, but if you know the tools, very easy, just needs practice. Yes, then here, that's when you can use this picture. Maybe if you're going to make a magazine, you're going to do a lot of things, like put it on a website. Okay, now how do you save it? How do you save this image without a background? Now such images are called PNG. Images are in different types. So let's go to save as. Let's go to save as. So first save as Photoshop format, which is PSD. So I'll save it on my desktop. Okay, then I'll say okay. So I've saved that format, PSD. You see it from up here. Then I'm going to save that image without a background. So I'll go to save as. Then on the format, I'll save it as PNG. PNG means those are pictures without background color or anything, just transparent. So I'll select that. Then I'll say, make sure it's saying that image name .png. Then you say save. Make sure you're saving on a desktop, or you know where you're saving. Then that's when you say okay. It will load up after 100. So as it's loading, so those PNG pictures are very good when it comes to editing. You don't have to suffer cutting the background, this and that. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's check my background out. So if the pictures I've saved, so this picture is here. If we load it, you can see even it has no background immediately. So that, like I said, that checkbox means there's no background. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Let's keep going. There's more to show you. There's more to bring. There's more to show you. There's more to learn. Okay, I'm going to introduce some 3D. Okay, thank you so much. Stay tuned.